everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Let me share my screen. 1 second here. All right. Hey Bruce, welcome Bruce. Hey Tylac, welcome.
Hey,
Hello. Hey Solomon, welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. And then we'll go over the picks. Um, and current picks, right? Opportunities, and then we'll go over some new opportunities. And just remember, guys, if you have any questions at all, if you want me to take a look at your symbol, any symbols you guys have, need me to analyze any of your trades, just let me know. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. All right, guys. Markets held today, which is good news. I think the Dow was up about 40 points. All right. But that's great news. Markets held. No buy signal yet on the dollar, but still green candles holding support here. All right. So nothing major in the markets, but just holding, no selling. That's good news. All right, that's good news for the markets. Um, Futures market right here, cattle is continuing to move a lot higher. So feeder cattle right here. All right, really good trade going. Like I said, best trade right now in the futures market. All right, live cattle right here, making new highs. So really good price action. Okay, the markets, like I said, held. All right, held. VIX still holding right at 18. Right, 18. Nothing major. Like I said, markets held today. Okay, markets held today. Um, let's see here. Great trade going with Monster US 30. Okay. I know Bill got onto this trade. Did anyone else? I don't think anyone else got onto this trade here, but great long trade going in Monster US 30. Okay. Hopefully he's still in it and holding. No white candles, right? No white candles, right? No red candles. We did get new support and resistance lines to come in. Okay. So we'll see what the price action does. Hey, Joe, welcome. All right, but good trade here going on the daily for Monster US 30. Right, we're back in within support, previous support. So we're back in that box right here. So hopefully, right, we can test that resistance. And you guys know the US 30 goes with the Dow, right? It goes with the Dow. So um, we
Hey,
like to
David,
see. Yes. Hey,
it's
Bruce.
Bruce. I was
Hey,
gonna,
Bruce.
yeah, ask you a question. If I were gonna trade the 60 minute, and let's say obviously, it goes 24 hours pretty much.
Uh-huh.
Would
Yes.
it would, and I'm not in it, but if I were, would I set a stop like right at that resistance point or a little below it maybe? So if some reason it went south overnight, that I wouldn't lose all the profit.
Yeah. So what we could do, yeah, because it is 24 hours, right? And um, that 60 minute is a quick, quick, fast
Yeah,
time frame
stuff
there.
does happen overnight. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So what you could do is this, right? If you're going to do so let's say you got in here at the initial buy signal. Okay.
Hmm.
So here was your buy signal right here. Then you could put your stop below support. Always put it below support.
Oh,
Support.
okay,
Right?
all the way back down there.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And then as it moves higher, right? As it
Ah,
moves higher,
mm-hmm,
then I would say here, right? So let's say it got up to this area here, Bruce.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Then resistance becomes support. Okay.
Right,
So you would basically you would trail it, right? You would do a trailing stop is really what you would do
mm,
once you're in the trade. Okay.
right,
So you would let's say if the price is in this area right here, then you would put your stop loss like below, right below. This is now the new support. Put your stop loss about right here.
Okay.
Okay. And then let's say it's right here. It is right here now. Okay. Um, and you in it, and you want to put you in it, and you want to put a trailing stop. Then you can put that trailing stop, I would say, below your support. Here is your new support line,
Right.
and then I would give it some room. Probably
Hmm.
go a little below the low here. All right.
Right.
Here's the low here. Just put it right, perhaps right about here. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
That's
So
great.
yeah, and then you can just move it, right? So let's say the price gets up, right? Breaks resistance here, gets around 30, let's say 33, right? 37, 33, and then you could just move it, kind of move it up,
Yep.
under this, right? All right. So
Makes sense.
just kind of move it. Yeah. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good question. Yeah, because it moves fast, right? It moves really, really fast. So and we could get selling come in overnight while we're
Hmm.
sleeping, right? So yeah,
Sure.
yeah. So that's a good trade here going with Monster US 30. The same with the SP 500, and then the Nas 100. So they're all trading really, really well, and that's good confirmation when all three, right? When all three e-minis are trading well. That's really good confirmation. Okay. In Monster, I want to take a look at Monster Forex Tracker. Um, and we look at opportunities in the euro pairs. Let's see here. Euro. Well, let's do this. Um, well, let's go through before I forget. Let's go through. Um, do me a favor. Um, I've been having data issues. I want someone who has Stock Boss. Bruce, you've got Stock Boss, right? Joe, you've
Yeah.
got Stock Boss. Guys, do me a favor. Run your Stock Boss. If you've got it up, just right click in your heat seeker, right click and do a run scan, kind of like this. And then let me know how many symbols it said that came up. So just right click anyone and just do a run. Right click on your heat seeker, anywhere in your heat seeker, and hit run scan. And it should tell you how many symbols it found.
Yeah, I'm running on that server, David. So I just had to
Oh,
get
okay.
it going again here. So just gonna take a second.
Okay, thanks.
You bet, of course.
Yeah, and while we're doing that, um, let's see here. CDTX. I think that one is closed. We closed that one. Okay, CDTX. That one is done. These were picks from last week.
David,
Yes.
I got 28 on Stock Boss and 49 on Bullmaster.
Okay, so 28 stock boss. So Solomon.
Yes, Mr. David.
Yeah, did you hear that? So he's got
Yeah,
28. Yeah. So
so I think
yours is
about same.
yeah. So yours is
All right.
correct. Okay.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
Dave, I
Thank you.
just turned my computer on. I'm going to do it too.
Okay. So it should be yeah. I'm coming up with 16. So my data is incorrect. So it should be 28.
Yeah, you might want to double check your subscription with TradeStation, David. They unilaterally changed some of my stuff last week.
Is
And it
that what? Yeah.
really messed me up. And we sent you an email. It's like, I didn't get any email. And
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
yeah, maybe they nuked your
Mm-hmm.
NASDAQ or your New York.
Yeah, I went online and I looked in the back office and it looks
Okay.
fine.
Yep.
Yeah, Dave, I got 15.
You've got 15.
Yeah.
You've got 15 because I've got 16.
Try it again. Let me refresh.
Yeah,
That's
be
very
curious.
strange. That's
Yeah, I'd
very
be curious
strange.
if they're all a certain kind, like if they're all NASDAQ. I mean,
Yeah,
those
the
look like
trades.
they're all NASDAQ, maybe.
Yeah, trade station is gone. Okay, well, I don't want to
Anyway,
spend too much
yep.
time. Yeah. All right. So we'll figure that out.
Yeah,
Okay.
16.
16. Okay, we'll figure that out. All right. Okay, so let's go through the picks. All right, let's go through the picks. LAZR, LAZR, and stock boss, that's still holding there. All right, nicely holding. Okay. AXON, holding, right? Holding nicely here. Nice buy signal here. That's what we want. Okay, that's holding. SP, SRP, T. And anyone in these so far? Anyone in these stocks so far? Anyone in these? Again, these are momentum stocks, right? So these are momentum. We're not paying attention to the sector, right? We're not yet. Okay, not yet. But momentum stocks here. Okay, and then we gave out some last night for Stock Boss. MTC. All right, that's holding nicely here. MTC. Okay. PAYO. PAYO. All right. That's that data there. PAYO. All right. PAYO right here, holding nicely here. All right. All right. ARDX. All right. If something is going on with that data, come on. All right. ARDX. YERS. YERS. Oh, I'm sorry. XERS. XERS. All right, that's holding nicely here. Looking to break resistance. Okay, 145. All right. And then Bullmaster. CENX, guys. CENX. All right. Bit of a pullback, but still holding. All right. Buy signal here, holding nicely here. CHX. CHX. Right. We were looking for this one to break this resistance here. All right. Break resistance right here. It's still holding. Okay. Still holding. If you guys are looking to trade it or in it, if it gets a white candle, you want to get out. Okay, what we need this to do is break. Sellers are sitting here. You guys see sellers are sitting here. Sellers are sitting here. So we get a white candle, it could certainly go lower, right? So we need continued green candles build. So keep it, watch it, right? Watch it in your system. So we need that to break out. Okay, CHX, DX, CM, DXCM. All right. Close. If you guys are in this one, get out of it. Okay, it gapped down. All right, gap down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, gap down, white candle here. So we should be out of that there. Okay, we should be out of that if you guys took that trade. So let's cross that out. All right. I'm sorry. MYGN. This is in. These are in Bullmaster now. MYGN. All right. A bit of a pullback holding. Okay. We needed to stay above resistance here. Previous resistance now is support. So we just needed to hold. Okay. We needed to hold. CRWD. All right. That's holding nicely. Made a move up today. All right. So it's moving up nicely. All right. Nice markdown phase. Nice markdown phase. All right. CERT. All right. Holding nicely. All right. Holding nicely here. All right. FSLR. That made a move higher. Right. The market was higher in the morning. So that made a push. And then market closed up, but still lower than where it was earlier in the day. Okay, so, but nice, look at this, nice momentum. That's what we want. Nice momentum here. All right, nice momentum higher there. All right, so that's what we've got in Bullmaster. Now, let's go through for Forex, and then we'll get back to the picks. All right, and guys, while this is, yes, getting some opportunities, right? But also, I want you guys to learn, right? Learn from how we do the selection, right? Learn from how we do the selection here. All right. So CAD yen. All right. We should be out. I think someone was in this, but we should really be out of that on the 240. So we're going to cross that out. Okay. New Zealand CAD, we should be out of that also. Sell signal right here came in, so we should be out of that. Those were last week. And then New Zealand dollar, we should be out of that also. Sellers are coming in, right? Sell signal here to get out. Okay. All right. And Forex, we were looking for, we did not have any picks, new picks last night in Forex. In Monster Scalper, we were looking for opportunities in the yen pairs in Forex Dominator. Okay, so let's go through those. And we were looking for to get in for the price to break the high. All right. So we're still waiting on that, right? Now, if you got in on the buy signal, you're okay. All right, you're okay. But we need, if you want to get in, right? If you want to get in, we need a price to get above the high here. So we need, to know that price is moving higher. So dollar yen, right here, we need the price to get above 136.81, right? Right now it's at 136 even. Okay, not too far. All right, that's dollar yen. So we're still waiting on that. TRY, JPY, same thing here, right? We need that price to get above 7.27. All right, right now it's at 7.21. All right, so 7.27 is where it needs to get, right? Just above, it just needs to get above that high. All right, it's not a big deal. We can certainly get in. You can certainly get in here, but we just need more confirmation, right? All green candles, you can certainly get in here, but if you want to wait, you can do that. SGD, JPY, all right, same thing here, all right? So we need the price to get at 101.5. It's at 101.09. All right, so about 40 pips away. Not too far, guys, not too far. All right. Hey, Dean, welcome, Dean, welcome. All right. HKD JPY, HKD JPY. Where is that? Right here. All right. So if you guys are not in it, then look to get in at 17. Again, we just need confirmation that the buyers are back in, right? We know that they're in. It's in the markup phase, right? But we just need it just a little bit more confirmation, okay? Because the price could slip down. So not a big deal. Like I said, you could get in now, but all right, 17.42. It's at 17.32 right now, so not a big deal. All right, good markdown phase, guys, on these. And if you guys look here, it's been trading really, really well. And a lot of these yen pairs have been trading really well, all right, in Forex Dominator, except for pound yen and euro yen. But look at this, nice trading here. Nice trading. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. And here's the buy signal now with a nice markdown phase, okay? CHF, JPY, stay away from pound yen, all right? Stay away from this. Not a very good chart, all right? Very, very choppy. So in Forex Dominator, stay away from pound yen and also stay away from euro yen, all right? Euro yen looks better, starting to look better, but I would stay away. Swiss yen, all right? Swiss yen looks good, right? You guys can go ahead and if you wanted to, go ahead and take this trade here. All right, so Swiss yen, it's got new support and resistance line, has a nice resistance line right here. Build a nice base. Here was your buy signal. Let me open it up. Right, here's a buy signal in here. Dean, are you in Swiss yen, Dean?
No,
Hey,
no,
Mary.
not in Swiss yen.
Not in Swiss yen. Hey, Mary, welcome, Mary, welcome. All right, so this is a good one here, guys. All right, and it's been trading well. All right, bought here, sold here. All right, break of support, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, and here we are. All right, it's from the nice base. All right, the yen pairs are looking really good on in Forex Dominator. Okay, they are looking good. All solid here. We only have one that's not up. All right, all the rest are solid up blue. Okay, and over here, let's see here. Yeah, we have the yen pairs are not really moving here yet, but once they move up, they'll get into the top spots in here. We have HKD JPY, that's number 11. Dollar yen is number 6, so that's not bad. Number 6. And TRY JPY is number 20. SGD JPY number 22. Okay, so not bad, not bad. Same thing for CAD yen. I would say wait for CAD yen to get near the high here for CAD yen. And then Aussie, we don't have Aussie yen on here. Okay, we don't have Aussie yen. But CAD yen. All right. While we're here, I want to take a look at the ZAR pairs. The ZAR pairs made a move. Today, I know we do not have buy signals on the 240. All right, but I think they're holding. They're holding on, holding nicely. This is dollar ZAR in Forex Dominator. All right, Dean, I know you're still in that one, right? Dollar ZAR. So they're holding nicely. You've got keep an eye on this.
I did it.
Yeah.
I am not in the dollar ZAR anymore. I'm still in Euro ZAR.
Oh, Euro ZAR.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
The dollar ZAR, I think, had a sell signal on the 240.
Okay.
And I decided to take profit.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Keep an eye on it on the 240. Okay. It's building here, held support here. You might get a chance and everyone else, you guys might get a chance for another buy signal here.
Yeah.
Okay. It is testing. Well, if you look here, right, it's got it's it has support here, but most importantly, right, it's got pretty good resistance here. So if it tests that resistance and break out, you could see a big move to the upside. Okay. All right. So this is a really good area here. If you can get through there, break through, you could see some nice moves. And also you can catch it. It will give you a buy signal here. If that happens, it will give you a buy signal here. Okay, so it's getting higher right here, higher lows. It keeps moving higher. Here is resistance right here, right? Resistance is right here. And you could get a buy signal somewhere in this area here. And, look at that. Nice previous trade. And you caught a lot of that. Okay, so you might get a chance. It's nice when they don't collapse. Right. Right here. So here's really good support it held, right? Red candles, white candles coming in. Very bullish sign. Very, very bullish sign. Okay,
Yeah,
so
I
keep
like
an eye.
this one because I was able to take a breather. It didn't collapse like you said.
Yeah. Yeah. So a lot of times when we get trades like this and we take profits, right, we tend to forget, right? But stay with these trades. There are reasons why this happened here, right? So whatever caused the trade to happen, right? And when they hold like this, that means that whatever caused that is still in place, right? Whatever data or fundamentals or whatever, right? So just keep that in mind. Okay, so Eurozar, look at that. Eurozar, pretty good support here, much like dollars are. And this is the one you've got, Dean, on the in Forex Dominator.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at it here. Okay, so very nice, and you got in here. Okay, yeah. So you might catch. Look at that big candle here, right? Very big candle came in, held support right here, right, and then you've got another candle here. All right, looking to test resistance right here. I don't know if you guys can see that resistance line here. So I would say if it gets near that resistance line, you can add to it. All right, you can scale up. I wouldn't go heavy, but you can certainly add to that position if it breaks that resistance there. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. So you're getting past this area here, which was a concern. So your next area of resistance would be all the way up here. All right. You see that, Dean?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at as well, the weekly and the daily.
Yeah. So this was an area here. This was a big area here, right here, right here, right here, right here, where sellers came in. All right. I mean, we could even almost count this as an area here. Okay. And now it's gotten past, right? It's gotten past that area there. Okay. So you don't have any resistance until this area up here. So just let it run. Just let it run. You do not have any. So it's cleared this support and resistance, right? So this is a new move. New buyers are entering, right? So just let it run. The next thing to watch is support and resistance, right? So on your if it gives you new support and resistance lines, then pay attention to it. Okay, otherwise just let it run, buddy. Okay, just let it run, right? And this is the only other ZARP. This is the only ZAR you have now, right? ZARP here.
Yeah,
You're
that's
not
it.
doing, yeah. Let's take a look at pound ZAR. I don't think anyone is trading pound ZAR. Not as good. So I think you picked the best one. Good job. Right? You've got the best one there going. All right, let's take a look at the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame. Let's see here. Let's see what you have as far. Okay, so here is where you've got some resistance here. This is just a high. So here, this is the monthly. This is the monthly. And here you are breaking out on the monthly time frame. Okay, so you just have to get, right now it's at 1949. You just got to get past 20, 25. And who knows where it can go from there. Okay, so just hold on. And you've done a good job holding on to these trades. So
Holding on to it.
yeah, just hold on, bud. Just hold on. All right. It breaks this. You could, if you guys look here, it's on the monthly time frame. It's just getting started. All right. It's just getting started. So, all right. Good job. All right. So you might want to, if it breaks resistance right here, I would add. All right. Don't go heavy, but certainly you can scale up in the trade. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at some opportunities in Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and then we'll come back to Forex. I want to talk about, before I forget, Sniper Trader. So we got out of this trade here, SI. Okay. Now, you guys, just because we get out doesn't mean that you guys, if you're using the system, you can still stay in. Okay. We also got out of rig, but you guys, there is some resistance. No, just keep in mind, it might, it's going to be a little risky if you guys decide to stay in. Okay. But if it breaks to the upside here, right? If the market is up now, with the market, if selling happens tomorrow, right? Tomorrow into the week, then we might get something like this. Okay, but based on how the market is holding up, we could get buyers to come in and it could really push the price up. Okay, so just know that it's a bit risky staying in longer. That's why we try to get out early. But it is holding nicely right here, right at resistance. So you just need some buyers to come in and push it higher. BA, right? BA, we're still holding it, right? We're still holding it. A little pullback, but it's still holding here. Okay, so, but just keep in mind, if you guys hold on to them, right? Pay attention to the charts, right? If you plan to continue to hold them, and we'll monitor them in the evening classes, but we will not give any sell alerts to get out. Okay, you guys have to use the system. Okay, during the day. So, all right, let's go here. So Stock Boss. Let's see here. And I don't know why I don't have the data. So ARDX, I think we have that already, right? Let me make sure. Yes. ARDX, that was one already. That's gone. That's gone. Okay, so B, all right, BIVI, all right. Buy signal is right here, guys. Buy signal is right here. Big candle. Look at that big candle. All right. Now, I don't like this. right? I don't like this here. Okay. But that could be an opportunity, right? It's dropped down quite a bit. Okay, but I don't like this here, right? That looks like a short. That looks like. All right, but that could be an opportunity. Big candles here, so you can get a quick move out of it. All right, quick move out of it and get out. All right. All right, DHC, that's gone too far, right? That's a nice momentum stock here. All right, nice buy signal was here. All right, that's the kind we nothing there, nothing there. LAZR, we're already in that one. Nothing there. We're already in that one. That's gone. Nothing there. All right, so stock boss, BIVI is the only one we've got. All right, let's take a look at, and we're going back to the daily time frame. Markets are picking up, so we're going to go back to the daily time frame. And those of you you guys have more data, you're getting more symbols, you're getting 28 symbols. So just go through your symbols. All right, we're already in this one here. All right, AXON, AXON. All right. CERT, we're already in that one. Crowd. We're in that one there. Nothing there. Nothing there. That's gone. That's gone. LUNG. All right. LUNG. LUNG. 1177, guys. LUNG. All right. All right. Right here. Right. You guys can see it's picking up, right? Picking up right here. Descent markdown phase. All right. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. That's gone. Nothing here. We're in this one already. SRPT. I think we're in this one, right? SRPT. Yes, we're in that one already. SRPT. All right. Win is gone. All right. Okay. So we only have for stock boss, BIVI and LUNG for Bullmaster. All right. All right. All right. Forex Dominator. Let's see what we've got here. Well, let's go Monster Scalper first. We'll take a look at the long side and then the short side. I think we might have some opportunities in the Euro pairs. The Euro pairs made some moves this evening here. Here is dollar yen. Hold on the dollar pairs. We're still waiting on a buy signal. So dollar Dollar pairs are choppy right now. All right. All right. Euro pairs. So that's Euro ZAR right there. All right. So wait on a buy signal on Euro ZAR. Euro dollar, guys. Euro dollar. All right. That's a good one here. That's on the 240 long. All right. Nice markdown phase. It's got a buy signal here right at that resistance. If you want to be conservative, right, you can just wait for it to get above, right? It's pull back a bit, let it to get a little bit above that resistance line right here, okay, which is about 1.069. Okay, you guys, you can take it here, but it's you got a buy signal, good markdown phase. Okay, so and that is EUR USD. USD 240 monster scalper. All right, let's keep going. So euro dollar. Oof. Let's see what else we've got here. Not good. Okay, EUR SEK. Boy, that's gone up a little too far. All right, this looks good, but it's gone up. Buy signal came in here. It's all the way up here. Let's keep looking. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing. Buy. It's past the buy signal. EUR NOK. So the Euro pairs are definitely trying to make a move. Okay, EUR HKD. Okay, I hope you guys see what we're doing here, right? We're not just randomly taking these trades, right? So EUR HKD, good markdown phase, right? Buy signal right here, right? It red candles came in, held support, and buyers are coming back in. All right, if you want to wait, right, for it to break that resistance just a little bit, you can do so. Okay, get more confirmation. And look here, that buy signal is coming in right on near that previous buy signal. Okay, so here was the previous buy signal right here for a really good trade here. All right, and here's the buy signal right here. Okay, so very similar. All right, this area right here. So good trade. Like I said, further confirmation if you want to wait for it to build up, get above resistance here, that's fine too. Okay, but don't let it get away from you. If it really takes off, let it go. All right, so EUR HKD on the 240 in monster scalper. Okay, EUR GBP too choppy. Yeah, too choppy. Okay. Nothing here. Nothing here. Too choppy. All right. This one has already left. Okay. Euro Aussie. Okay. So Euro, two decent trades. Right. Monster scalper, Euro dollar, and Euro HKD on the 240 time frame. All right. Let's take a look at the short. See what we've got. Monster scalper short. right, we know we don't have anything here. All right, let's take a look here. What a mess. All right, nothing with the pound pairs. Okay, so Monster Scalper, EUR USD, EUR HKD. All right. And did we go through? Hold on. All right, let's go through. We'll do this quickly. 10 minutes, get you guys out of here. Okay. Okay, so we've got some shorts in Forex Dominator. All right. You have to wait for them a bit, right? So Aussie dollar short. All right, so Aussie dollar. Okay. And that's on the daily time frame. All right. Oh, that's hold on. Yeah. Okay. Forex Dominator. I know I need to change this Monster Scalper. Forex Dominator. All right. Forex Dominator. All right. Daily time frame here. Daily time frame. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Okay. Aussie dollar short. Okay. Forex Dominator. Okay. Wait for it, guys, to break support right here. All right. So here it is. Sell short signal is right here. All right. All you need for sellers to come in, just get near that support line. Okay. You just need sellers to come in, break this line right here, just a little bit. All right. But that's looking good. All right. All right. That's setting up nicely. All right. In Forex Dominator. Nothing here. All right. Aussie, AUD, CHF, Aussie, Swiss already, right? Right here. Right, give a short signal right here, candle right here. All right. So that's a good short right here. You've got some support down in this area right here. All right. But the Aussie pairs look like they want to run, right? They want to make another move like this to the downside. Okay. So Aussie, Swiss. Forex Dominator. All right. Okay. Aussie, let's see here. Aussie CAD, just wait for it to get near that support, guys. Support line down here. All right, that's redistribution, right, down in this area in here. Okay. All right, so Aussie CAD, daily short. Any questions on these? Forex Dominator. All right. If you're gonna trade these, just one or two. Don't trade all of them. All right. New Zealand dollar. Also, guys, there's something happening here. There is something happening. You see here, sellers are coming in. Sell short signal right here. Right. All red candles. Could get a move like this. Okay. When you guys trade these, right, and let's say you get a move down like this and you get in near support, time your exits. You can use the 240 or the 60 minutes to time your exits out. Don't wait, right? Don't wait for the daily time frames, right? These green candles to come in, All right, we want to get out somewhere in this area in here. Protect, protect some of your profits. All right, but there's definitely a move happening here with the Aussie and Kiwi pairs. So New Zealand, NZD, USD, daily short. Forex dominator. All right. Same thing with New Zealand Swiss right here. Really nice trades before, guys. New Zealand Swiss. Sell short signal came in right here on a break of support. Still early, right? It looks like it's trying to break this support here. All right. So that's a good one also. NZD. And we're going to put Forex Dominator to work this year, right? If we wait and you miss these trades, don't chase them, right? All right, and don't trade too heavy on these. All right, New Zealand CAD also looks nice, right? There is something going on. All right, and decent trading. Look at that, right? So short came in here. Right here was the short signal right here. All right, it's still holding right here. You might want to wait for the price to get down in this area here. NZD, New Zealand CAD. That's on a daily time frame, and that is short. All right, Forex Dominator. Okay, so you guys have some short opportunities here. All right. Nothing here. Well, let's take a look here. The euro pairs are going long in the dollar. I mean, in Monster Scalper. So I wouldn't do anything here. All right, let's take a look at the pound pairs. Nothing here. Okay, so the best trade right now. All right, so we've got some long opportunities. Euro dollar, right? Euro dollar. All right, and Euro HKD long in Monster Scalper. And Aussie dollar, Aussie Swiss, Aussie CAD, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Swiss, and New Zealand CAD. These are all shorts in Forex Dominator. Okay. All right. Any questions on these guys? Any questions? A lot of opportunity in Forex. I'm surprised to see these. So the New Zealand, these here, New Zealand and Aussie pairs are looking to go short. All right, looking to go short. All right. Any trades you guys want me to take a look at? Anything you guys want me to take a look at? Are you guys good?
Yeah, we went over at mine the other day, so I'm good.
All right. All right. Yeah, keep an eye right here. This could be a move right here, developing here. All right. So these are setting up nicely. I mean, anything can happen, but keep an eye. Keep an eye here. The longs, you guys are already in, right? So the ZAR, this could be a really good trade right here. The ZAR, Euro ZAR, and then dollar ZAR. It doesn't have Monster Scalper right here. It doesn't have a buy signal yet, but keep an eye on that. All right. And then Euro ZAR. Those of you who missed the ZAR trades, here, all right, keep an eye on these, right? You might get another chance, okay, to get in. All right. So dollar ZAR, all right, dollar ZAR, Euro ZAR, and pound ZAR. Okay, so Mary, you're on here. All right. So if I know you'd gotten out of pound czar before, right? So this might be an opportunity to get back in. And Mary, you got the one book I sent you, the guide, Mary?
Yes, I got it. Thanks.
You got it? Okay. Do I owe you any more? Do I owe you another 2 guides? For was it the euro yen and pound yen? Did you stay in those trades?
I got out at the appropriate times.
Okay, so I owe you 2 more.
Yes.
Okay, so good. So you've got 2 more coming. All right.
Okay.
All right. Good job. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. I will see you. I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll keep building, keep getting you guys some good picks. Okay. Keep an eye on here. Even if you guys are not trading these, right? Keep an eye on these, right? Watch how, if you're not gonna trade all of them, but take, just like we're doing, right? Take these symbols and start tracking them. All right. Start tracking them. These are opportunities for you guys to trade, but it's also for you guys to learn, right? Learn how, what we are looking for, the setups, right? So, all right. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully the markets, right? Equity markets, right now, the future, let's see here. All right. Futures are up, right? Futures are up. And Bruce, you're still holding on to cattle?
Yep, hanging on to the cows.
Oh my goodness. What a trade. What a trade. All right. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks, David.
Bye-bye, guys.